Hello, my name is Lidis Maria Mesa Cadena. In this video, I will talk about my era and short album through sang photo. Photo number 1. I gone to the office for a chat from my sister Patricia, for my mother Adelaida. Photo number 2. I am by climbing to pole where I'm playing cracks. I study. Photo number 3. I am responsible and love to studying every day. Photo number 4. I am washing clothes every day. I like. Photo number 6. I am preparing a delicious food for my beautiful family every day. Photo number 7. Doing my university activity is responsible. Photo number 7. I go shopping at the village store. Photo number 8. I am painting a house with my son, my parents, my husband. I am petting. Thanks for your attention.